polynomial. For this graph where a is not equal to 0, for this polynomial the graph will be either like this or like this. This is known as the upward open parabola, and this is known as the downward open parabola. This is where a is greater than 0, and this is in places where a is smaller than 0. Now we will look at the zeros of the polynomial. Here, for any equation, suppose ax cube plus bx plus c. Here, the graph of the polynomial, the number of times the graph will cut at the x-axis, that many number of zeros the polynomial will have. For example, here the graph has cut the x-axis 3 times. Therefore, this polynomial will have 3 zeros. Can anyone tell me how many zeros will this polynomial have? Yes, Karuna? Yes, this polynomial will have 6 zeros. The degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. For example, here the degree of the polynomial is 2. This type of polynomial is known as the quadratic polynomial. Where the degree is 3, that polynomial is known as the cubic polynomial. And where the degree is 1, those type of polynomials are known as linear polynomials. Let us assume the zeros of the polynomial as alpha and beta. Let us take this polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We will solve this by splitting the middle term. Here we will take 2x as common. We have got two values for x, that is -1 and -1. Now we have to look at the relation between the coefficient and the zeros of the polynomial. The sum of the zeros of a polynomial is alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Let us solve this. -1 plus -1 upon 2 is equal to -1 plus -2 plus 1 upon 3. This will be equal to -3 upon 2, that is minus b upon a. Now we will look at product of zeros. That is c upon a. Here the product of zeros will be -1 into -1 upon 2. That will be 1 upon 2. That is c upon a. Now we will look at the division algorithm. We will then divide this polynomial by long division method. X plus 2. We will divide this polynomial by x plus 2. X 2x square. Can anyone tell me what will we do after this? minus 2 and plus 3. Now we will solve this. 2x square minus 4x minus x, that is plus 3x. 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. Here we are getting the dividend. So the division algorithm states that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
हाँ पूछो।
ये एक्स पॉलिनोमियल है 4x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1। यदि हम इसे x माइनस 2 इसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो फिर मुझे रिमाइंडर यदि x आया तो ये सेटिस्फाई होगा या नहीं?
हाँ, नो नीड टू लाफ।
डिविडेंड इज इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर। अगर तू करेगा तेरा रिमाइंडर क्या है? x है, होगा सेटिस्फाई।
और मैंने उसे डिवाइड करा है x प्लस 1 से।
तो अगर तू उसको x प्लस 1 से डिवाइड कर रहा है तो तुझे x प्लस 1 इनटू व्हाटएवर योर क्वेश्चन इज प्लस रिमाइंडर करेगा तो आएगा।
हाँ नहीं,
करके देख ले।
just you go and do, try divide it by x plus 1, no? Divide and check whether it comes or not.
आएगा।
चेक इट नो।
मैंने तो सब पूछा था कि रिमाइंडर x आया तो उसे सेटिस्फाई करेगा या नहीं।
हाँ।
लेकिन डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम के सब मुताबिक कि जो रिमाइंडर रहता है उसका पावर कभी भी सर डिवाइजर से कम रहता है। और
तो,
क्या फिर
हाँ ना, तब तक डिवाइड करना ही है ना, देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड, यू हैव टू गो ऑन डिवाइडिंग।
तो सर वो तो दिया ही है ना सर डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम।
हाँ ना, तो means the remainder till it doesn't come less than that, you have to go on dividing. It means the division is not completed if it is more than that. बराबर है? हाँ ना, तो फिर इसलिए तो कहा तुम टेस्ट कर लो वहाँ पे जाके।
उसने बोला तो सर आएगा।
हाँ, यस।